Hello everybody, my name is David. Today I'm going to show you how you can integrate Xray with Apwide. For that you need to have 3 apps installed on your Jira instance, so I guess you're already a user either of Xray or Apwide and you want to integrate both. So you need to have Xray test management for Jira installed, you need to have Apwide Golive Release Environments installed as well, and you will need also a third app that is supporting the integration between those two apps, and it's called Apwide Xray integration. This is a free app, so you can install it in just one click. It will take you several seconds, and then it's installed. So I will guide you through the different steps of the activation to show you the different options. So basically what the integration is doing is that in your Xray test environments fields that are here, usually you are using only labels. So that's the standard Xray behavior. So there are a lot of labels that I define and I can use them here in that field. What we would like now is, instead of having labels appearing here, we would like to have the Apwide environments that will be there. So for that, in order to activate the integration, I need to go under Apwide Xray integration settings. And here it will give me, first of all, the apps that are installed. So I see that I have already Apwide and Xray that are installed and they are on the right version. If I'm running like an old version of the apps that does not support the integration, I will have an information message. Here apparently all is okay, so I can tick that checkbox here, integration enabled. The other two options, we'll see that afterwards. So first of all, let's tick only that one and save settings. I'm going back on my Xray test execution, and here I see that I have one of the two environments that has been mapped with Apwide environment. So I can see e-commerce staging, which is defined in Apwide with all the nice informations like the URL of the environment, the attributes, the deployment, the status changes, etc. So all those informations are coming from Apwide. I can see that I have the Android one, which is the old, is still like old Xray label. It's because it has not been mapped with Apwide. There is no environment in Apwide that is called Android. Okay, when I want to now update that field, I see that I have a lot of options here. I have the Apwide environments, but I have also the old Xray labels that are here. If I want to remove the labels and be able to select only Apwide environments, there is a way. So you go back on the configuration of the integration, you tick the second box that is called Apwide environments only, you save it, you go back, and if you try now to update it, you will see that you will see only Apwide environments. So let's say that I want to select another one, which is payment staging. I can do it like that. You see that one is slow. So the color is the status. E-commerce staging is up, payment staging is slow. If I click on it, I have also all the information that are linked to that second environment. In fact, when you activate the option, it's not removing the already existing labels that are in the Xray field. So you will have to remove them manually if you want to not have them anymore. Okay, here it is. Now we have also another option in Apwide. It's possible, here you see that I have all the Apwide environments that are here. But in Apwide, we have the possibility to restrict them per Jira project. So here I am in the e-commerce platform project, and I think I have only part of those applications here that are linked to that project. So for that, in order to restrict the list to only those applications, we have the third option here that is called Filter Apwide Environments at Project Level. And when you save settings, you see that, yeah, now I have only payment and e-commerce applications that shows here. So the idea is really to contextualize the information, to not flood your user with a lot of environments. So like that, he doesn't have to search in detail. He has already all the environments that are linked to that specific project. Okay, so that field appears here. You have also the environments panel that should be here. So it will show you what are the different environments that are linked to the applications that you selected here. So for instance, I can see that here I selected staging, but if I want to see what version of the applications are deployed in production, I can see that here, or in integration, etc. And from there, I can also have all the information by clicking on the environment. That's the idea, that's how it works. So it will help you if you're a tester, a developer, you want to reproduce the bug or to test somewhere else, you will have all the information that will be there. Okay, now you know that in Xray you have also the tests. So if I open a test here, I go in the execution details, you will see that, yeah, I have also the test environments field that is giving me all the information. So in all Xray screens, you will get those new Apwide environments that would be displayed, also in the reporting, etc. So I will let you discover that by yourself. What I will show you now is the second big part of the integration, which is on the Apwide timeline. So if I go on the timeline, so for those who don't know, so Apwide timeline lets you manage your release. So here I have, for instance, the October release that is defined. There are different kind of activities that are taking place. And what I want to show you is how now you can plan also Xray test campaigns or Xray test execution directly on that timeline. So for that, I have a calendar here that I have created. It's called Xray testing. And when I'm making a drag and drop from the calendar on the timeline, for instance, I want to make a test campaign on e-commerce staging. When I drag and drop here, automatically it will ask me to create that test execution. So let's say it's the UAT October release. I can add a description. I mean, here I'm just like creating like a new test execution Jira issue. You see that here the test environments field is already added, e-commerce staging, because when I did the drag and drop, I went on the e-commerce staging, and I can also add the tests, for instance. So let's see here. I want to select a few tests for my test execution. I can do it directly from here. I'm creating it, and you see that it just appeared here, the UAT October release. If I click on it and I click on browse, you will see that it will open the test execution that it created. So it's the same kind of test execution that we saw before. There is the test environment e-commerce staging that is already selected, and you see that the begin time and end time, showing the start and the end of the test execution, are already set up and are linked to the position here. So if I change my planning like that, it will be updated. So this is much better than updating here with the date picker. What do you think? So that's the idea. Then you can really so plan all your test campaigns, part of your release directly from a nice timeline. So that's the second big part of the integration, and we hope that you will enjoy it. Okay, so I think I'm done. If you have any questions regarding that integration, if you are facing any issue when you are making the setup, just let me know. you can send us an email at support@apwide.com, and me or someone from my team will help you for sure. So enjoy the new integration, and thanks for watching. Bye.